Welcome to Insight TV. Yet another scholastic year has begun. The University of Malta was certainly bursting with activity on Monday. Summer may be over, but for our students, the fun and work have just begun. Insight promotes insightful thinking. For this reason, we have set up a stand inviting you to join the only media organization on campus. Come and find out about our photo competition and treasure hunt, the Braccio di Ferro tournament and the Great Insight Tug of War. And by the way, don't forget to get your copy of The Insighter. The first important visit on campus was that of the Education Minister, Dr. Luis Gallia. The minister said that this is an exciting decision-making week. He praised voluntary student organizations for the various opportunities that they offer. Dr. Gallia, together with Director Professor Juanito Camilleri, also came to our stand and collected their copy of The Insighter. Next, Insight TV visited some of the most prominent student organizations. Sean Bohajar, KSU Culture and Entertainment Coordinator, presented us with their Freshers magazine and diary. We then ventured to the AGE stand, where PR Officer Elizabeth Borch underlined the importance of equality in a borderless Europe. Check out our website tomorrow for more information about other student organizations participating in Freshers Week. Exhausted by all the excitement, we finally relaxed to the sounds of Dorothy Bedzina and band. And that was all for today. Thank you for logging on to our website and make sure you stay updated tomorrow. This clip has been supported by XFM. I'm Janice Bartolo for Insight TV.